I'm going to show you how you can get and find your API keys on Shopify. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, you will need to have a Shopify plan, of course. So I want to let you know about this special offer running right now. I will leave a link in the description below with this special offer that will get you any Shopify plan for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive plan, which is normally almost €400 per month. I got it for just €1 per month for the next 3 months, and you even get 3 days of Shopify completely for free. So it's the best way to try Shopify and don't spend a lot of money. So you can choose any plan you want and you will just spend €3. So don't forget to use the link in the description. So once you are here, just click the search bar and then click on apps. Now go to apps and sales channel settings, and we are going to go to develop apps. So right here we need to go to the developer dashboard. So this is where we would normally build applications. So click right here, and once you are here at the developer dashboard, just click on create app, then put in any name, so for example test. And once you have your application right here, you just need to go to settings and you will find the credentials. So this is the client ID or API key, and this is the secret key, which we can view by clicking right here, and we can copy right here as well. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.